Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I want to show you how to add Reddit community to favorites. So it's pretty easy and there are two ways how you can do it. So let's get started with the first way. You can join a community, for example this one, just click on join, and now you can find this community in the sidebar. So on the left side there is the sidebar, and here are all the communities you are a member of. And to add this community to favorites, just click on this star icon. To remove this community from favorites, just click here again. You need to go to this community, and now at the top right you'll find the three dots icon right here. Click here, and in this drop down menu let's select add to favorites. Yeah, and if you want to remove this community from your favorites, just click remove from favorites. So this is how you can easily do it. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.